दिस इज एडवोकेट अर्पिता शुक्ला। वेलकम टू योर चैनल टारगेट फॉर आईक्यू। इस वीडियो में हम 50 एमसीक्यूज करेंगे इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट के। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द प्रिंसिपल कैन फर्स्ट देखेंगे, द प्रिंसिपल कैन रिवोक द अथॉरिटी गिवन टू द एजेंट ए एट एनी टाइम बिफोर द अथॉरिटी हैज बीन एक्सरसाइज, बी एट एनी टाइम आफ्टर द अथॉरिटी हैज बीन पार्टली एक्सरसाइज विदाउट लायबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स द एक्ट डन, सी एट एनी टाइम आफ्टर द अथॉरिटी हैज बीन फुली एक्सरसाइज, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो इसका आंसर ए है, एट एनी टाइम बिफोर द अथॉरिटी हैज बीन एक्सरसाइज। सेकंड देखेंगे, एन अथॉरिटी गिवन बाय टू और मोर प्रिंसिपल्स कैन बी टर्मिनेटेड, ए बाय नोटिस A by notice by revocation or renunciation given by or to all other principals, B by notice of revocation or renunciation given by or to any one of the principals, C by notice of revocation or renunciation given by both to the principal if there are only two principal. तो none of this, तो इसका आंसर A है, by notice of revocation or renunciation given by or to all the principal. थर्ड देखेंगे, any act is done without the authority or knowledge of a person on behalf of that person A can disown the act, B can ratify the act, C either ratify or disown the act, D can disown the act but cannot ratify the same. तो इसका आंसर C है, either ratify or disown the act. फोर्थ देखेंगे, ratification of an act has to be express only, has to be implied, can be express or implied, and D both expressed and implied. हैज़ टू बी बोथ एक्सप्रेस्ड एंड इम्प्लाइड। तो इसका आंसर सी है, कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड और इम्प्लाइड। 5 देखेंगे, substituted agent is liable to the principal, A only in case of fraud and willful default, B irrespective of fraud and willful default in all cases, C along with the agent, D both A and C. तो इस आंसर है irrespective of fraud and willful default in all cases. 6 देखेंगे, इन केस द सब एजेंट इज नॉट लॉफुली अपॉइंटेड फॉर द एक्ट ऑफ सच सब एजेंट, द एजेंट अपॉइंटिंग द सब एजेंट इज लाइबल, ए टुवर्ड्स द प्रिंसिपल ओनली, बी टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड पार्टी ओनली, सी टुवर्ड्स द प्रिंसिपल एंड थर्ड पार्टी बोथ, सी टुवर्ड्स नन। इसका आंसर है सी, टुवर्ड्स द प्रिंसिपल एंड थर्ड पार्टीज बोथ। 7 देखते हैं, a person whom the agent names to act for the principal in the business of agency under the express or implied authority to name is called a sub-agent, B substituted agent, C agent, D procured agent। तो इसका आंसर है substituted agent। 8 देखेंगे, फॉर द एक्ट ऑफ द सब्सटीट्यूटेड एजेंट, ए द एजेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द प्रिंसिपल, बी द एजेंट इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द प्रिंसिपल, सी द सब्सटीट्यूटेड एजेंट इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द प्रिंसिपल, एंड डी नन ऑफ द अबव। तो इसका आंसर है ए द एजेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द प्रिंसिपल। 9 देखेंगे, हु कैन बिकम एन एजेंट, ए अ मेजर ऑफ साउंड माइंड, बी अ मेजर ऑफ अनसाउंड माइंड, सी अ माइनर ऑफ साउंड, डी अ माइनर ऑफ अनसाउंड माइंड। तो इसका आंसर ए है, अ मेजर ऑफ साउंड माइंड। 10 देखेंगे, authority of an agent has to be expressed, B has to be implied, C can be expressed or implied, D either A or B or C। तो इसका आंसर है C, can be expressed or implied। 11 देखेंगे, if a future event on which a contract is contingent is the way in which a person will act at an unspecified time, the event shall be considered to become impossible, A with when such person does anything which renders it is impossible that he should so act within any definite time, otherwise then under further contingency, C both A and B, and D none of the above। तो इसका आंसर C both A and B। 12 देखेंगे, इन विच केस इट वॉज हेल्ड दैट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू टेलीफोन इज कंडक्टेड एट द प्लेस वेयर एक्सेप्टेंस इज हियर्ड। तो ये हमारा भगवान दास गोवर्धन दास केडिया वर्सेस गिरधारी लाल पुरुषोत्तम दास एंड कंपनी में बोला गया है। 13 देखेंगे, A applies to a banker for a loan at a time when there is stringency in the money market. The banker declines to make the loan except at an usually high rate of interest. A accept the loan on this term. In the case the contract is A vitiated by undue influence. B valid because this is a transaction in the ordinary course of business. C void because the banker took unfair advantage of stringency in the money market. D voidable at the option of A who has deceived the banker. B, इसका आंसर है B, valid because of this is a transaction in the ordinary course of business। 14 देखेंगे, A contract to sing for B at a concert of rupees 50,000 which are paid in advance. A is too ill to sing on the day of the concert. The consequence is option A is bound to make compensation to B for the loss of the profit which B would have made if A had been able to sing. B, A is bound to refund to rupees 50,000 in advance. C, A can be forced to sing at the concert. D, A is bound to refund only that money out of rupees 50,000 that he has not spent। तो इसका आंसर B है, is bound to refund to rupees 50,000 paid in advance। 15 देखिए, where person reciprocally promise firstly to do certain things which are legal and secondly under specified circumstances to do certain other things which are illegal. A, first set of promise is a contract but the second is void agreement. B, first set of promise is voidable but the second set is a void agreement. C, entire set of promises is void. D, entire set of promises is valid। तो इसका आंसर A है, first set of promise is a contract but the second is a void agreement। 16, in which of the following cases a contingent contract become void? A, if the contract contemplates the happening of the event event within a certain time and event does not happen or its happening become impossible. B, if the performance is made to depend upon an event which is already impossible. C, if the event contemplated does not happen. D, both A and B. तो इसका आंसर है डी, बोथ ए एंड बी. 17 देखेंगे, द पोनी हैज नो राइट टू रिटेन द गुड्स. ऑप्शन ए फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ नेसेसरी एक्सपेंसेस इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ गुड्स प्लेस्ड. बी फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एक्सपेंसेस इनकर्ड इन द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ गुड्स. सी फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ डेट और इंटरेस्ट इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ गुड्स प्लेस्ड. डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो इसका आंसर बी है. 18 देखेंगे, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ऑफर. अ बिड एट एन ऑक्शन सेल. बी, बैंकर्स कैटलॉग ऑफ चार्जेस. सी, मेन्यू कार्ड एट अ रेस्टोरेंट. डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. तो इसका आंसर ए है, बिड एट एन ऑक्शन सेल. 19 देखेंगे, डिस्क्लोजर और नॉन डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल इज इमेटीरियल फॉर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सेक्शन 230 का सबसेक्शन 1. बी, सेक्शन 230 का सबसेक्शन 2 एंड सी, सेक्शन 230 का सबसेक्शन 3 एंड नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर ए है, सेक्शन 230 सबसेक्शन 1 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. 20 देखेंगे, इफेक्ट ऑफ फेलियर टू परफॉर्म एट फिक्स टाइम इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इन विच टाइम इज एसेंशियल इज डील अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872. तो ये सेक्शन 55 में बोला है, ठीक है. 21 देखेंगे, A sells certain merchandise to B, warranting it to be a particular quality, and B, in reliance upon the warranty sells it to C with a similar warranty. The goods prove to be not according to the warranty, and B becomes liable to pay C a sum of money by way of compensation. Option A, B is not entitled to be reimbursed this sum by A. B is entitled to be partially reimbursed this sum by A. C, B is entitled to be reimbursed this sum by A. एंड डी, नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर है सी, बी इज एंटाइटल्ड टू बी रियम्बर्स्ड दिस सम बाय ए. 22 देखेंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बी ऑफ टू क्लासेस, वन वेयर कंसिडरेशन इज एग्जीक्यूटेड एंड द अदर वेयर इट इज एग्जीक्यूटर. दिस डिस्टिंक्शन वॉज अप्रूव बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस. तो ये हमारे यूनियन ऑफ इंडियन वर्सेस चमनलाल लूना एंड कंपनी में बोला है. 23 देखेंगे, ए रेलवे कंपनी रिफ्यूज टू डिलीवर ऑफ सर्टेन गुड्स टू द कंसाइनी एक्सेप्ट अपॉन द पेमेंट ऑफ एन इलीगल चार्ज ऑफ कैरेज. द कंसाइनी पेज द सम चार्ज इन ऑर्डर टू obtain the goods. Option A, he is not entitled to recover so much of the charge as was illegally excessive. B, he is entitled to recover over and above the charge was illegally excessive. C, he is entitled to recover so much of the charge as was illegal excessive. एंड सी, नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर है ए, सी, ही इज एंटाइटल्ड टू रिकवर सो मच ऑफ चार्ज एज वाज इलीगल एक्सेसिव. 24, ए रिवोक हिज प्रपोजल मेड टू बी by telegram. The revocation is complete. Option A, as against A and B when the telegram is dispatched. B, option as against A and B when the telegram when B receives it. Option C, as against A when the telegram is dispatched. It is complete as against B when B receives it. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर C है, as against A when the telegram is dispatched. It is complete as against B when B receives it. 25 देखेंगे, A promises for a certain sum paid to him by B to make good to B the value of his ship if it is wrecked on a certain voyage. Here A's promise is the consideration for B's payment and B's payment is the consideration for A's promise. Option A, there is lawful unlawful consideration. B, there are lawful consideration. Either A or B. D, none of this. इसका आंसर है B, there are lawful consideration. 26 देखेंगे, A promise for no consideration to give to B rupees 1000. Option, this is void agreement. B, this is not void agreement. C, either A or B. D, none of this. इसका आंसर है this is a void agreement. 27 देखेंगे, ए प्रॉमिस टू पे बी अ सम ऑफ मनी. ए में परफॉर्म हिज प्रॉमिस. ए बाय पर्सनली पेइंग द मनी टू बी बाय कॉजिंग इट टू बी पेड टू बाय बी बाय अनदर. सी, इधर ए और बी. डी, नन ऑफ बी, बोथ ए एंड बी. तो इसका आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी. 28 देखेंगे, ए promises to pay B a sum of money. If A dies before the time appointed for payment, option A, his representative must perform the promise. B, his representative must employ some other person to do so. Either A or B. and D, both A and B. तो इसका आंसर है both A and B. 29 देखेंगे, A promises to paint a picture for B. B afterwards forbid him to do so. Option A, A need to perform the promise. B, A is no longer bound to perform the promise. C, B cannot forbid A. and D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है B, A is no longer bound to perform the promise. 30 देखेंगे, A promises to pay B a sum of money if a certain ship does not return within a year. Option A, the contract cannot be enforced if the ship does not return with the year or is burnt within the year. B, the contract may be enforced if the ship does not return with the year or is burnt within the year. C, either A or B. and D, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है B, the contract may be enforced if the ship does not return within the year or is burnt within the year. 31 देखेंगे, A promises to maintain B's child and B promises to pay A 1000 rupees yearly for the purpose. Here the promise of each party is the consideration for the promise of the other party. They are lawful consideration. Option A, these are unlawful consideration. B, these are lawful consideration. Either A or B, and D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है lawful consideration. 32 देखेंगे, A promises to obtain for B an employment in the public service and B promises to pay B 1000 rupees to A. Option A, the agreement is void as the consideration for its unlawful. B, the agreement is void but the consideration is not unlawful. C, the agreement is not void as the consideration is not unlawful. D, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर A है, the agreement is void as the consideration for its unlawful. 33 देखेंगे, A promise to paint a picture for B by a certain day at a certain price. A dies before the day. Option A, the contractor cannot be enforced by A's representative only. B, the contractor cannot be enforced either by B's representative only. C, the contractor can be enforced by A's representative and not by B. Both A and B. तो इसका आंसर है both A and B. 34 देखेंगे, A promises B to drop a prosecution which he has instituted against B for robbery and B promises to restore the value of the things taken. तो देखिए ये इसका आंसर हमारा होगा C, the agreement is void as its object is unlawful. यहाँ पे object क्या है, unlawful है, तो agreement क्या होगा, void माना जाएगा. 35 देखेंगे, a principal is a person for such act is done or who is represented. B, a person for whom one is represented. Either A or B, और D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है C, either A or B. 36 देखेंगे, A promise to abstain from suing can be consideration but only when the person suing as a subsisting right to sue. Therefore, non-payment of installment of a debt fixed under the Debt Collection Act which had become barred under the act cannot be a good consideration of a promise to pay these installments by a third party. In which of the following case it was held? It was held in तुलसीदास नाथुदास वर्सेस नारायण अजबराव राउत के केस में. 37 देखेंगे, A owes money to B under a contract. The old debt of A to B is at an end. It is agreed between A, B and C that B shall henceforth accept C as his debtor instead of A. Option A new debt from C to B has been contracted. C, a new debt from A to C has been contracted. C, either A or B, and D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर A है, a new debt from C to B has been contracted. 38 देखेंगे, A owes to B among other debts the sum of 567 rupees. B writes to A and demands payment of this sum. A sends it to B 567 rupees. Option A, the payment is to be applied equally to all the debts owed by A. B, the payment is to be applied to the discharge of the promissory note. C, A or B. D, both A and B. तो इसका आंसर B है, the payment is to be applied to the discharge of the promissory note. 39 देखेंगे, A owes B rupees 2000. B accepts some of A's goods in reduction of the debt. A, the delivery of the goods operate as a part payment. B, the delivery of the good does not amount to part payment. C, either A or B. D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है A, the delivery of the goods operate as a part payment. 40 देखेंगे, A owes B 5,000 rupees. A pays to B and B accepted in satisfaction of the whole debt rupees 2000 paid at the time and place at which the 5,000 rupees were payable. A, partial debt is discharged. B, the whole debt is not discharged. C, the whole debt is discharged. D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर C है, the whole debt is discharged. 41 देखेंगे, A lets to B for hire a horse for his own riding. B drives the horse in his carriage. A, this is not at the option of A, a termination of the bailment. C, this is partly at the option of A for termination of the bailment. C, this is at the option A, a termination of bailment. And D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर C है, this is the option of A for termination of the bailment. 42 देखेंगे, A makes a contract with B to buy B's house if A survives C. Option A, this contract cannot be enforceable by law unless and until A dies in C's lifetime. B, this contract cannot be enforced by law unless and until C dies in A's lifetime. C, this contract can be enforced by law during C and A's lifetime. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर B है, this contract cannot be enforced by law unless and until C dies in A's lifetime. 43 देखेंगे, A is entitled to succeed to an estate at the death of B. B dies. C, having received intelligence of B's death, prevents the intelligence reaching A and thus induces A to sell him his interest in the estate. Option A, the sale is not voidable at the option of A. B, the sale is voidable at the option of A. C, either A or B. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है B, the sale is voidable at the option of A. 44 देखेंगे, the A leaves a cow in the custody of B to be take care of. The cow has a calf. A or B is not bound to deliver the calf but the cow to A. B is bound to deliver the calf but not the cow to A. B is delivered to deliver the calf as well as the cow to A. C, none of this. तो इसका आंसर C है, B is bound to deliver the calf as well as to the cow to A. 45 देखेंगे, A hires a carriage of B. The carriage is unsafe though B is not aware of it and A is injured. Option A, B is not responsible to A for the injury. B is partly responsible to A for the injury. C, B is responsible to A for the injury. D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है C, A, B is responsible to A for the injury. 46 देखेंगे. A hires a horse in Calcutta from B expressly to march to Banaras. A rides with due care but marches to Cuttack instead. The horse accidentally falls and is injured. Option A is not liable to make compensation to B for the injury to the horse. B, A is partially liable to make compensation to B for the injury to the horse. C, A is liable to make compensation to B for the injury to the horse. C, none of these. तो इसका आंसर C है. A is liable to make compensation to B for the injury to the horse. 47 देखेंगे. A guarantor may recover from the principal debtor the cost of defending an action brought against him by the creditor. Option A, if he undertook the defense with the debtor's authority. B, reasonably defended the proceeding in the debtor's interest. C, the cost were for some reason unavoidably incurred but not if he has incurred cost solely for his own benefit. D, all of the above. तो इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ देम. 48 देखेंगे. A having advanced money to his son. B during his minority upon B's coming of age obtains by misuse of parental influence a bond from B for a greater amount than the sum due in respect of the advance. A did not employ undue influence. B, employ undue influence. C, either A or B, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है B, A employs undue influence. 49 क्या है. The surety stands discharged. Option A, by revocation. B, death. C, by variance in terms of contract without his consent. D, in A, B and C above. तो इसका आंसर है C, by variance in terms of the contract without his consent. 50 देखेंगे. Under the contract of guarantee a creditor. Option A has to avail his remedy first against the principal debtor. B can avail his remedy against the principal debtor as well as the surety. C can avail his remedy against the surety alone. D, both B and C. तो इसका आंसर A has to avail his remedy first against the principal debtor. आई होप हमारी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. और आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है तो टारगेट फॉर IQ के नंबर पर कॉल या मैसेज करके आप पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.